So one more quick project. I have to figure out where is the fault. Hopefully it's just snapped or snipped, how you say, the cable. And the second one, I have a problem with the actuator, so we're gonna change it also. And that one I ordered from the AliExpress. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, then we have to take off this screw, and from here more inside. Okay. Yep, that's what I thought. This one is broken, but I have a new one, and it's possible to fix the old one also. Let's try to do that. So what we're doing here today is we changed the actuator from the AliExpress. Old one didn't work properly, couldn't unlock and lock the doors, whatever, and we have to fix broken door handle system. new actuator in, door handle fixed. Let's check. Nice. And cool. Actuator from AliExpress, why not? And didn't need to buy a new door handle system, could fix it myself. Excellent. So all